Mine is a natural adaptive recourse of indigenous peoples in dealing with limited access to health services, especially in times of emergencies brought about by climate change. For indigenous peoples, the material condition for our primordial resilience to the impact of climate change, including that of health, is our possession of our natural resources in our ancestral territories. Indigenous peoples who continue to inhabit their mountain territories, like us in the Cordillera region and elsewhere in the world, remain in control of our agroecological food systems, our natural resources, and our ancestral territories. Such prevailing control over our food systems and the factors nourishing this are the bedrock of our primordial resilience, both in terms of food as well as health resilience, whether in time of emergencies or normal situations. The nutritionally diverse diet provides us the nutrition needed in building our resilience to diseases and malnutrition. At varying levels, indigenous peoples remain in control of their indigenous knowledge and practices on primary health care, acknowledged as a collective legacy, thereby being practiced as a collective societal responsibility. The prevailing indigenous social value on community welfare is vital in shaping the collective effort of community resilience as we deal with the impact of climate change, whether in the aspect of health, food, and other social determinants. These indigenous knowledge and practices form the building block of our community-based health program or CBHP. Our CBHP intervention have been reinforcing these indigenous practices by increasing our indigenous knowledge with scientific enlightenment, improving sanitation practices such as fencing off of otherwise freely roaming pigs, construction of community toilets, organizing backyard gardening and other forms of preservation of herbal medicine, introduction of traditional Chinese medicine as complement to indigenous reflexology system, introduction of basic mental health care as complement to indigenous practices, and other basic practices on primary health care. In addition, the CBHP program made its contribution in the collective effort of indigenous peoples in claiming for equal right to the highest attainable standard of health. The particular contribution of our CBHP has been the facilitation of linkages of indigenous communities with health service providers, with the academe, with health advocates, locally, nationally, and internationally, such as sharing our story in this very important international conference. Thank you for bringing us in. Moreover, the struggle to practice our own developed community-based health program and the struggle to demand for right to health has from the onset been linked to the struggle of indigenous peoples for the right to ancestral land and right to self-determination. Sad to say that this community-based health program has been among the targets of the Philippine government's counterinsurgency program, having been tenaciously tagged as communist program or communist linked. Persecuting our CBHPs will not terminate the well-ingrained social movement for the defense of ancestral land, which is the foundation of the resilience of indigenous peoples in dealing with emergencies such as health emergencies brought about by climate change. The ultimate factor that will obliterate our primordial resilience to climate change and its health impact is by uprooting us from our territories or introducing large-scale projects that will result to loss of control on our natural resources or by intense militarization of our territories, factors which we are intensely resisting against. Thank you.